boy. Oh boy, get back up. You can do it. Whoop. Woo. Woo. Look at that, Dad. Oh. That's sweet. That's some sweet sisters right there.
Yeah. Go slow. Go slow. Go real slow. Good. Yeah. Just like that. Just like that. Good.
Whoa.
It's okay.
Just wait for her to get up. She can do it. Come on. Come on.
Here you go, Daddy.
Good job, girls. Good.
I promise we're almost
Good job. Can you turn around now and come back? Can you turn the car around? Very gently. Watch your foot though. Okay, good job. Now let her get back up there. Come on, Liv. You gotta, it's time to exercise and do your practices.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, sweetie. Hey, can you say hi to Mimi and Papa?
Hi, Mimi and Papa.
And how about hi, Mima?
Hi, Mima.
And Carrie and Brian?
Hi. Hi, Carrie and Brian.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Oh, okay, wait, go slow. Slow, no, wait. Wait, stop till she stands up. There. Olivia. Oh, we're not stop till she stands back up.
Standing up.
Yep. Shoot, wait a second. Stop again, Ella. Okay, now she's standing up. Okay, now go slow. Oh, you guys are something else. Okay, turn it around. Oh, that's so funny.
So funny, yeah. Yeah, so funny. I can believe what over here. This way.
Oh. Oh, Olivia, come on. Wait for her. She'll get back up.
Can you help me push Fountain?
Come on, Liv, get up.
Hand on
Get up and get up there.
Turn.
Get up there.
Turn.
Get up there.
Yeah.
Okay, go slow.
That's how we go slow. Actually, we
Okay, wait.
and okay.
She fell down
now,
first time.
Stop. Stop the car. Now go.
Oh my goodness,
Go,
this
go,
is
go.
weird.
Go.
Are you gonna get on there? I should have.
Okay. Here you go.
Now, go, go,
Good
go.
job.
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, go. I'm not standing up. Stop.
Okay, she's
Go,
up.
go.
Can you turn the car?
Go, go, go.
Good job,
Go.
girls.
Go, go, go.
Oh, okay, good. She did it.
Go, go, go.
Well, you have to go find your tape first.
Go.
I think it's downstairs.
Go.
We'll have to go.
Go. Go. Some cards. Kids ask us to do.
Okay, bye, Liv. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye, girls. Say bye, Ella.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Liv.